Oh, hello. Yep, so we're at a job here in Lidditz for a customer, and we did 18 windows in the last 2 days here on this place. And this entry door we installed this morning, are installing right now. It gets a storm door later. But yeah, we had to modify the opening slightly just so the door fits well. And yeah, put an aluminum sill pan underneath it so water comes out instead of going down into your house. But yeah, a beautiful Envian Blue. Our success hinges on how well our door installs go. I mean, we had to take the opening up just a little bit, cut some drywall, but done that thousands of times. So storm doors typically take between one and 2 hours to install. Put some trim on this, storm door sets on that, and yeah.